Greetings, fellow traders. Are you tired of using the same old trading strategies that only yield minimal returns? Are you constantly on the lookout for a trading technique that is not only highly profitable, but also carries minimal risk? Well, look no further, because today I am here to introduce you to an incredible trading strategy that ChatGPT has personally developed. This strategy has proven to be immensely successful in growing trading accounts while minimizing risk, and it's suitable for traders of all levels. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the indicators and the strategy with entry rules and money management rules in detail. So be sure to stick around until the end to avoid missing out on any important information. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So I'm in TradingView, and I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart in a 5-minute time frame to explain this strategy. And this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'll quickly cross these indicators out so I can explain the setup in each indicator individually from the beginning. First of all, let's add our technical indicators to the price chart. So we'll open the indicators menu and search for the first indicator, which is the money flow index. After this, add this one created by Dreams Defined. The money flow index indicator is a technical analysis indicator that measures the flow of money into and out of a financial instrument, such as stocks, forex, or commodities over a specified period. It is an oscillator that ranges between 0 and 100, providing insights into the strength of buying and selling pressure. In the market, MFI is considered a momentum indicator and is often compared to the relative strength index RSI. However, while RSI only considers price changes, MFI incorporates both price and volume data, making it more comprehensive at capturing the flow of money. The MFI is typically analyzed using overbought and oversold levels. A reading above 70 indicates overbought conditions, suggesting that the instrument might be overvalued and due for a price correction. Conversely, a reading below 30 indicates oversold conditions, implying that the instrument might be undervalued and due for a price rebound, which means that red or green circles indicate oversold or overbought conditions. Now let's add our second indicator to the chart. In the Indicators tab, we will search for Engulfing Candle Indicator and add this one to the chart. The Engulfing Candle Indicator is a basic yet powerful technical analysis tool used to identify potential trend reversals in financial markets. The engulfing candle pattern can be either bullish or bearish, signaling a potential change in market sentiment and future price direction. The bullish engulfing pattern occurs during a downtrend and signifies a potential trend reversal to the upside. For this, the bearish candle with a relatively small body should be engulfed by the bullish candle with a larger body that fully engulfs the body of the bearish candle. The bullish engulfing pattern indicates that buying pressure has overcome selling pressure, suggesting that bulls have taken control and that the price may rise. The bearish engulfing pattern occurs during an uptrend and signifies a potential trend reversal to the downside. The bearish engulfing pattern indicates that selling pressure has overcome buying pressure, suggesting that bears have taken control and that the price may fall. Now let's add our third and final indicator to the chart. In the Indicators tab, we will search for the exponential moving average. The default length of the exponential moving average is 9. Since we need a longer-term moving average to filter out minor price fluctuations, let's change the length to 200. The exponential moving average is a technical analysis indicator used in trading to help identify trends and potential entry or exit points in financial market. Unlike the simple moving average, which assigns equal weight to all data points in the calculation, the EMA gives more importance to recent prices, making it more responsive to recent changes in the market. In trading, the EMA is often used to identify trends and potential support or resistance levels. Now that we have all the indicators on the chart, and you guys know what function these indicators play, let's see how we can use these together to open successful buy and sell trade. First, let's go through the rules for entering a buy trade. If you guys are interested in amazing buy and sell trades for free, join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. So first of all, for a buy trade, as we know, a bullish trend is present when the price is moving above the 200 EMA. So we will only open a buy position if the market is above the EMA. The next condition is to have the money flow index oversold. This is confirmed by a green circle. Then after this, the bullish engulfing pattern should form, suggesting a potential trend reversal. A bullish engulfing candle is confirmed by a green triangle below the price bar. So after all these conditions are fulfilled, we can safely open a buy trade. So I'll quickly open a buy trade here. ChatGPT suggested that we should place the stop loss below the recent swing low. And as for risk management target, you can do 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio. You can also adjust your stop loss to break even once the price has gone in your favor. This will secure the trade, and if you want to increase the win ratio of this strategy even more, you can enter a long trade at the retracement of the price to the EMA. This way you'll get an even better price. Here's another example of a buy trade. We can see the market is above the EMA, which means we have got bullish trend in the market. After that, we got a green circle from the money flow index indicator, which means the market is oversold. And finally, we got a bullish engulfing candle signal. So we can open a buy position here. Our stop loss will be set at the recent swing low for sell trades. And I would set the risk to reward ratio at 1-to-2. And you can see after some time the market would have hit our target. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade through this strategy. So for a short trade, ChatGPT mentions that we should first identify a bearish trend. And we know a bearish trend is present when the price is moving below the 200 EMA. The next condition is to have the money flow index overbought, and this is confirmed by a red circle. And after these two conditions are fulfilled, the bearish engulfing pattern should form, suggesting a potential trend reversal. A bearish engulfing candle is confirmed by a red triangle above the price bar. So as soon as all these conditions are fulfilled, we should enter a sell position. So I'll open a sell trade here, then place the stop loss above the recent swing high of the market, and then we will apply the same money management rules as for buy positions. So let's see if this trade would be profitable trade for a risk to reward ratio of 1-to-2, and after some time the market hit our target. Now let's go through one more example for a sell trade. If you guys want free to buy and sell trade signals like these, join my Telegram group, the link is in the description. Here we see all our conditions are fulfilled. We got a red circle here indicating an overbought market. The market is below the 200 EMA, and we got a bearish engulfing signal here. So I'll open a sell position here, set our stop loss, and risk to reward ratio. As we can see, this trading strategy has a high success ratio. It uses smart money management as well, which is 70 to 80% success. And trading discipline is also very critical if your goal is to grow a trading account fast. ChatGPT mentioned that we should stick to our trading plan and maintain discipline when executing trades. Avoid overtrading and emotional decisions, evaluate your strategy's performance regularly, and make adjustments as needed. Remember, no trading strategy is perfect or guarantees success. It's essential to backtest and demo trade the strategy before using real money. So that's going to be it for this strategy. If you guys gained beneficial knowledge from this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video.